This is my 2010 Toyota Prius with the facelift front end. And today we're going to be installing the headlights, the turn signal, and the fog lights. First thing you gotta get is the grill with the fog light holes on it. Next thing you gotta get is the fog light kit. Comes with all the wiring you're gonna need, relay, all the plugs, and it comes with the fog light itself. So in the box you get an OEM style button, screws, the fog light plugs, the cabin wiring, zip ties, the light. Get the harness with the fog light connections. For the interior wiring, you want to take this out. Two screws, and then one middle tab. It comes out. Just put it to the side, and then you're gonna want to look above the gas pedal, and you'll see the grommet right there. I stuck a X-Acto blade to make a hole for the harness to go through. Now from the engine bay, you're gonna see it right there. Right there. To make life simple, I decided to cut the pigtail off and attach the wire to a metal rod. You can use a wire hanger. Now we're gonna go through the grommet. Through that hole I made. There we go. Now we need a 12-volt signal, which we're gonna splice into the cigarette lighter. Just be careful taking this off. The plastic dents really easily. The best way to do it is get a flathead and just slowly keep pushing, and then it pops out. There we go. So this is the interior harness. Off camera I've prepped the power cable. The red is supposed to be for accessory. The white is for constant. That's why it has the fuse. I decided to just join them together. That way they're only on if the car is on. And the negative, you could use this if you want, but I decided to just hook it up to the power line too. And if you could find these jumpers, they'll be amazing for you. That way you can just grab the wire from there, you clamp it up, and that jumper slots in there like that, and it bites into that slot. Alright, there's the wiring from the engine bay, looped in there, all the way over here. I've reconnected the pigtail. The interior harness is here, zip tied together, plugs are ready. On the cigarette lighter plug, the black is the positive, white with black stripe is the negative. Now to install the plug, just pull this back, push the wire through. Don't forget to attach your ground from the front. You can do that here, or you can do that here.
Yeah, I'm just cruising through the night. You know what it's like, and I just